Miss Seema Renu, and Miss Archana Girish. They are expected to be the resource persons to engage this wonderful session. See, you already know about the importance of assessment in learning. There is a finding and saying that without assessment, there is no learning. There is no meaningful learning without assessment. That is the importance of assessment. See, when immediately after teaching the students, when we ask questions, we will come to know how many of them have understood. And some students will say wrong answers. That is a misconception. Through assessment only, we will be able to know whether students have understood or not. Also, whether students have misconceived anything. Through assessment only, we can know. How can we give appropriate feedback to the students if there is no assessment? How can we know the progress of the students in the lesson without assessment? Okay, so in many dimensions, assessment is a very important tool. When we come to the differentiated instruction format, we describe the learning objective that is tiered and layered into 3 success criteria. You all are familiar with it. Success criteria is aligned with the task SC1, task 1, SC2, task 2, SC3, task 3. So ultimately, the success of the lesson will be determined by achieving these milestones of success criteria 1, 2, 3. How can we make it visible that task number 1 is done well and success criteria 1 is achieved? How can we make it visible? How can we showcase this to the students? How the teacher can see this? How the observer can see this? In the angle of inspection dimension, if there is no digital tool associated, we cannot show exactly how many students have achieved each success criteria we have. One is in terms of Bloom's taxonomy action verb. Another one is in terms of quantitative measures. So when task number 1 is over, we are fostering an assessment. Now it is known as pre-assessment as well. So in which 90% students are expected to be achieved the success criteria 1. 90% means 30 to 9. 27 students should achieve it. So on a digital format, a screen, it must be seen. 27 students are correct with the answers. If it is not shown, how can we objectively evaluate the success of the lesson with regards to success criteria 1? Then when we go to success criteria 2, the task number 2 is over. 75 to 90% students need to achieve it. That means minimum 22 students should make the correct answers. On the screen, the summary of attainment should be shown. The score summary should be showcased. Then the inspector can come to know. You also can argue. You have the evidence with you. You can defend yourself. Yes, 22 plus students were correct with the answers. And for success criteria 3, 60% to 75%, 74%. 60% means what? How much? 18 students. Minimum 18 students should be correct with the answers. So here is the role of the digital tool. It's very, very important. Association of a digital, one or more digital tools in lesson is detrimental with regards to rating and success of the lesson. So be wise enough. Tactically associated. Be very much proficient and familiar in accommodating, integrating the digital tool. Both the resource persons will share different tools. Okay, so wish you all the best. Thank you so much.
Good evening, everyone. Okay, as the IT head, I'm pleased to welcome all newly joined teachers and colleagues who are here to strengthen the digital competency. Actually, today's session focuses on integrating digital tools into assessments. Okay, and it will guide you through practical tools that can transform your classroom assessment practices. And to do this one today, I'm pleased to invite my colleagues, Ms. Archana, to present the assessment tools product. And if any doubt is there in between, you can ask. No issues. Okay, teacher? Can we start?
Okay.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes,
Archana
teacher.
teacher, please.
Thank you, Seema teacher. Good evening, one and all present here. So today I'm going to present some of the digital tools used for assessment. So first of all, I just want to just give you a guidance like what is the use of digital assessment, to why we are using this digital assessment tools, to, as sir conveyed, for instant feedback, increased student engagement, data driven instruction, easy progress tracking. So these are some of the important points why we are using the digital assessment tools. So first one, we are focusing on quizzes. Now it's known as Wayground. So it's basically a gamified quizzes. We can assign it like a homework. We can assign it to the Google Classroom. Detailed reports will be can be taken from quizzes. It's very interactive as well. So let's see. I hope you all are able to see my screen. Yes,
Yes,
teachers. So first, what you need to do, first of all, you need to go to Google. You can type quizzes. So you'll be getting this link. Click on that. So you'll be redirecting to this page. You can log in using your school ID. Your school email ID is there, no? You can log in using that. So you will be logging into this screen. So you will be getting an option like create. So click on create. So there are multiple options over here like assessment, presentation, video, like that. You can click on assessment. So when you click on assessment, it's already, see, you will be getting create with prompt or text. You can either use this option or you can do it from your end. Like from your side, you can just create the assessment or you can use create with prompt or text. For now, I'm just using this option. I'm going to create one topic, computer parts. Computer parts.
Teacher, those who wants to do it now itself, you can start it, okay? If you know
You
the
can
link,
just try.
you can try now itself, teachers. Then if any doubt is coming, then that time itself we can clear it.
So I'm going to give grade 1. There are multiple grades. You can just choose the grade. I'm choosing grade 1. So depth of the knowledge, as sir told in the beginning itself, like there are different levels, like low level, intermediate level, high level. So like this, there are 3 levels available here. You can choose according to your assessment question patterns. You can choose the level. Here I'm choosing level 1. And here there are they have already given you set of options like 10 questions, 15, like that. If I'm choosing 10 questions or automatic also, anything is okay. Okay, then next. So they will be asking like which type of subtopics you want to choose according to the topic. My topic is computer parts, so I will take input devices, output devices. Suppose my first chapter for grade 1 is input hard computer parts. So I'm focusing on input and output devices. Then create. So it will automatically start generating the questions. So they will be giving you the questions. If you want, you can keep the questions, which is okay. For okay means we can keep the questions as it is. Otherwise, we can edit the question using edit button. So it will be showing like this. So you can edit it. You can change the questions according to our topic. Suppose our first topic is hardware. Suppose this question is not suitable for my topic, means I can edit the topic according to my according to that part. Then I can just save the question. You can set the answer key accordingly. Answer key means there will be a green tick mark. So like that, and then save the questions. So once all the questions are ready, if everything is ready, then you can publish the quiz. Then there is a preview mode. This is like a student mode. Suppose we want to just try from our side before sharing with the students, we can just check this preview mode and we can just try from our side one time, whether it's working fine, whether all the answer key we provided are correct or not. Like that we can check it. Then how can suppose I completed one topic and it's the time for me to start an assessment. So I can just, after completing this one, I can click on Start Now button. So student option we have to choose. So there are two options available here, classic mode and then mastery peak. Mastery peak means it's like a game-based quiz. Classic means it's a normal quiz, normal method, but mastery peak means it's like a game. Some kind of emojis will be climbing the peak. So it's very fun for the students. You can choose any one. So this, and then we can start. So from the student side, they need to go to Google and type join my quiz, or else you can share this join quiz link previously in the GCR. Here I'm going to write join my quiz like this. So they will be giving you enter code. So this code can be entered by the students. So once they enter this code, they will be automatically, their name will be appearing here. Suppose I'm joining from, enter the code. Enter a join code. So it will be showing like this. So I can enter this code 971322. This 9971322. Then I can see John. So they will be asking for the name. Start. So it will appear like this. Then I can start. This is the student mode. From student side, it will be like this. From the teacher view, it will be like this. Then as a teacher, I could see that 2 students have already joined. So we can make the students, suppose there are 25 students in the class, we'll be able to see those 25 students over here, and we can just check all the students have joined or not. If in case anyone is not able to join, we can just check what is the issues, or we can just guide them to join in this one, and then need to start the code. So this is the student mode. So it's asking me for the questions. So this is how the quizzes works. And after this, we can just go to the reports and we can just track the progress. Like sessions. In the sessions, we can see exploring the computer part quiz. So how many students, sir, in the beginning itself stored, like digitally, they will be showing the accuracy. So suppose 25 students, what is the total accuracy of the class? So 90%, 100%, like this, this task score 100%. That means almost all the students joined the quizzes and was able to complete the quiz. Those who have means some students are missing. So like this, we can get the accuracy. And if you want the reports, you can download it from here. There is an option called download Excel. So that report, which all students did and what was the mistakes happened with them, we can just track it from the reports. So that's all about Vagrant or quizzes. I hope it's clear for everyone. quizzes.
Is there any doubt, teachers? If you have any doubt, you can ask now itself. Hope no one is having any doubt, right?
Yes. After this session is there. So sessions, from going to sessions or whatever activities you created, it will be here, and then you can here assign homework option is also there. You can assign it as homework to the GCR. If everything is over, you can just download the report here. Download Excel. So that Excel will be downloaded. So it will be showing like this. This is how the report look like. So correct answer, partially correct, incorrect, and so this one will be shown like this. The report will look like this. So teachers, can I move to the next assessment tool? Okay. So moving to the next assessment tool, this is also somewhat similar like quizzes. Its name is formative. So some of the, why we are using this formative assessment tool, it's for real-time assessment, monitor the students' response live, then multiple question types, then immediate feedback. So the same way, we can go to Google and type formative. So it will be taking to the screen like this. Then how to create quiz in this? There is an option called create button. You have to click on this create. So options, lesson means we can make PPTs like Google Slides. You can make lessons from here. So my needs to make some assessment questions. So I'm using this formative option. I have already created this. So you can add questions or content. So clicking on add questions or content, it will take you to another panel having many options like audio, then image, slide, video. These many options are there. Drag and drop, matching, video, many options are there. So here I'm using again create with Luna, that is like AI. Again, I'm choosing multiple choice. So my prompt is again based on the like which topic I'm taking. Suppose I'm taking about again computer parts. I'll write 3 questions based on how many questions we want. We can give the prompt as like that. Then we can start generating the questions. You can create manually also. Like this, generate questions. So here they will be showing you how, suppose I have given 3 questions, they have given me 4 questions. So if I want any changes, I can edit it from here. Suppose I don't want 1 question from here, means I can untick this and I can start adding into my screen. Then I will click add like this. Then I can edit the heading of the assessment. I can assign. So here there are 2 options available. We can just assign a classroom. Like suppose I'm taking for assessment for 3rd A. I cannot, beginning itself, I can create 3rd A classroom and keep it. Otherwise, let the students be the guest students. Then I can assign it. So the students will be getting this immediately. They will be giving you this link. You can share this link to the GCR. So students can automatically join into their formative app. So here when I'm joining, suppose I'm joining with this, I'll just show you that. Suppose this is the student mode. So if I have done, all the questions will be shown to me and I will be getting the points as well, like this. and my responses will be seen by the teacher. This is the teacher mode. So when I am doing as a student, from the teacher side, teacher will be able to see, like first question, I did it. The student name will be appearing here, and the first question, 100% achieved. Second questions, that means live response will be seen. Suppose I have made any mistake in second two, it will be showing red color wrong. So like that, live response can be seen through formative tool. I hope it's clear.
Yes, sir. Archana,
Yes,
one
teacher.
doubt,
Yes, teacher.
Archana. Is it possible for other languages also?
That with the
Formative assessment, this tool?
formative assessment, it's for this one, teacher. So we need to check it whether the language
Okay,
is
okay,
supporting
okay,
or not.
okay.
Manually, we can type, teacher, Salila teacher. Manually,
Manually?
with the
Oh.
Luna, that means with the AI, it is, I don't know whether it is possible to create or not, but manually, like how we are creating in quizzes, the
Yeah.
same way we can type and we can
Okay.
create.
Okay, thank you.
Yes, teacher. Then here reports will be there. So we can, when we go to here, we will be able to see the reports. We can download the report and keep it. Okay. I hope it's clear. Now, any doubt, teachers? I hope quizzes and formative is clear for everyone.
Yes, ma'am.
Over to Seema teacher.
Yeah, okay. Archana teacher. Can I make it a slideshow view, teacher?
Yes, teacher.
Okay. Teachers, I think there is no response from your side.
Oh,
No doubt,
okay,
nothing,
teacher.
right?
Okay, teacher.
Okay. So
Yes,
teachers, I
ma'am.
just want to ask one thing. All are familiar with the Google Forms, right? Teachers?
Yes.
All
Yes,
are familiar
yes,
with the
ma'am.
Google Forms.
Yes.
So how
Yes.
sorry? Okay. So how you're preparing this Google Forms normally? What are the steps we need to do for creating a Google Form? Suppose you want to upload one Google Form in a Google GCR or Google Classroom. What are the steps here that you are doing? Many steps are there, right? First, you have to go to the Drive. You have to choose one Google Form. Then you have to type the questions, then the answers. After that, you have to choose the correct answer. Then you have to give the marks. Am I right or not, teachers?
Yes.
Yes. Okay.
Yes.
So these all are many steps are there for doing this Google Forms. At the same time, now all are familiar with this Gemini now, right?
Yes.
So in our
Yes.
Google Classroom also, there is an option Gemini. Did you notice that one? How many of you use that one? I don't know. It is there in our GCR. Archana teacher, could you please stop share this one? Okay. Let me go through that. Sorry. So in this Gemini, we can use this Google Form, but it's more easy. How we can make it more easily? Okay. Gemini. Sorry. Send this one, some net issues are there for me. Archana teacher, can you please open your GCR? Any one of your GCR? Could you please open? Mine is not.
I don't have GCR, but I will open, teacher.
Any one GCR, you just open. Okay. So I think it's visible to you, right? Teacher,
Yes, yes, ma'am. Yes,
Okay.
yes, yes, ma'am.
Can you please open that Gemini, teacher? Okay. So here you can see many options are available here. Now, actually, I'm going to create a quiz only. So here there is an option, generate a quiz. Could you please click on that, teacher? Okay. So here, as in the same way how Archana teacher explained that quizzes are formative, many options we have to give. Here also some options are there, which one we have to give. First one, which grade actually I'm going to prepare a question. See, now maybe in between the class, we want to conduct one assessment. Immediately, if you want to conduct an assessment, it's far better than any other tools. I think so. Because now you can give the grade. Teacher, can you please give any grade? 5 or 4, whatever it is. Okay, the number of questions, how many questions you want, you can specify that one. Okay, after that topic, as the same topic you can give Archana teacher. Computer parts. Okay, now the generating learning objective you have to click after that. Okay, go to down, teacher. Now here also, suppose Archana teacher already given 3 questions only. So what kind of questions you are going to input? Okay, multiple choice do you want? Yeah, true or false, short answer, long answer. Here we can give multiple choice and true or false. Okay, okay. Then generate questions. Okay, you can see here the questions already came. So within seconds, we can create an assessment within the class itself. Okay, the main advantage, you can click on that export now, teacher. Export. Okay, so here add to class, there is an option add to class. So there itself, we can give to this add to class option. So the advantage there itself, you can share this one in the Google Classroom. Okay, so once you done this one in the Google Classroom, the students will get this Google form directly. Okay, so the main advantage, no need to go to Google form. Then again, we have to set the right answers. We have to give the marks, nothing. Okay, here itself, when we are creating this one, automatically the mark will be, by default, it will be there 1 mark. If you want to change, then you can go to the Google form, in the drive. Otherwise, automatically, it will be assigned to each and every question. Okay, and the correct answer also, no need to choose by ourselves. Automatically, it will be done. Okay, so this is the main advantage of this Gemini. Okay, are you familiar with this one? Anyone, did you try this one in the classroom?
No, ma'am.
No. So now next class onwards, you can try this one. Okay, it's
Sure, teacher.
Yes, ma'am.
yeah. Okay, so is there any doubt in this one also, teacher? How many classes, if you want separate classes also, you can give this one. The only one thing actually, when you are doing this one, this Google form, only the name option you have to give. Because only the questions will come, their name options you have to add. Okay, that's the only thing. So any doubt regarding this Gemini Google form? Teachers? Okay, it's very easy only. You can go directly to the GCR. Their Gemini option is there. Click on that one. Then create a quiz. Then there you can specify what kind of questions you want to generate. Okay, based on that one, you can check. And after that, this export, you have to click on that export. Then add to class. Directly, it will go to the GCR. 3 or 5 questions. Okay. Is it clear, teachers?
Yes, teacher. Yes, teacher.
Okay, thank you.
Yes, ma'am.
Then now you can go to the next one, Archana teacher.
Okay, ma'am. So moving with the next assessment tool, again it's Socrative. Socrative is also same like quizzes and formative. We have to go to Google and type Socrative.
Slideshow. Okay, no problem.
So quick quizzes and exit tickets, real-time result, the same like a formative tool. This one also will show you the real-time results. Space race game mode, where we can make the students into separate teams and we can give the assessment. Easy classroom management. So now I'm going to show the demo of that. First, we have to go to Google and type here Socrative. Socrative. So home Socrative. So you have to log in using your school account. So it will be showing you the interface will look like this. So we have to make quiz. So we have to click on quiz. So here there is an option to add the quiz. I have already created one quiz. So I will show you with this one. Otherwise, you can add the quiz here. You can add quiz. So here generate questions, copy paste questions, extract questions from the document. Suppose we have any PDF or docs, we can extract it from that. We can import from Excel templates as well, or you can begin it from the like blank quiz. Like as I told, we can type from our end itself. We can type some set of questions, or you can use the use of AI tool. Here I have already created the question, so I'll just show you. I have already created. Now I will go to launch. After creating the quiz, we have to click on launch button. Launch quiz. So it will show you this option, launch. After launching this, how can we give the code to the students? We are having an invite student option here. Click on that. So the students, either they can scan this QR code, or they can go here, like they can go to Google and type gosocrative.com. So they will ask, instead of the name, I have created here one classroom called Model School. So they will be entering the Model School as their classroom. So I'll just here go Socrative. Here, student. So they will be asking the room name. So here I have already mentioned the room name as Model School. Here already the school name, it is Model School. So I'll give here Model School. Then join. So this is how the question will look like in student mode. What is a slide in PPT? So this is how the questions look like. We can submit the answers. Next question. Next question. So this is like a short answer question. So if you want to give short answer questions, you can give short answer question as well. Submit answer. Finish quiz. So this one will be the student view. And when I will go here, I will go to the live results. So I'll be able to see here, like Archana, she scored this much, like in the first question, it was clear. The last question it was like this, and total class progress was 100%. So it will be showing the live report like this. So in case if we want separate reports, we can go to report session, and then here we can just click here and download the report, export results.
Teachers,
So-
if you are using these kind of assessments, one more advantage is there. Suppose here, how many questions are given, which question most of the students made wrong. Okay, that also we can analyze. We can assess the students. So now which topic is tough for them. Okay, that maybe that's why they are not getting correct answer, right? So that is also possible if you are using these all assessment tools. Okay.
Then after that, we can just click the finish activity button, finish. So overall progress can be seen. Suppose 25 students are there, means out of that 5 students scored full mark in first question. Maybe some students will make mistakes in second and third question. So we can just give an instant feedback to those students who made second and third question. What was the mistake made by them? We can easily track those mistakes, and we can identify and we can give the feedback. Instant feedback can be given. That is the use of like Socrative, formative, and all. We can get live results and we can get feedback. Now moving to the, I hope this is also clear for everyone.
Yes, teacher, we can move to next one.
Moving to the next one, which is Kahoot. Kahoot is also again similar to quizzes only. We have to go to Google. This is how the interface look like. We can just click on create button, Kahoot. Then Kahoot generator is there. We can just click here and then start making. Here we can enter the topic, like paths. This is how the questions look like. It will be giving you some set of questions which is already there in the library. So which all questions you want, you can choose those questions like this. Suppose I want these 3 questions, I can add. Otherwise, like which all questions you needed from this, we can select and add selected. So this one. So this is how the quiz will look like. We can just save it, enter the title, parts of the computer. If you want, we can give the description as well and then continue. Done. So this is how the will look like. We can assign or host live. So this is how it will look like. We can start. Then students need to go to Google and type kahoot.it. So when you click kahoot.it here, kahoot.it, here, like this. So this is when you click on kahoot.it, it will be asking you for joining a code. Game pin will be shown, and this is the game pin the students need to enter here. So 633621. So here I will be starting the quiz. I will start. Teacher will be able to see the student. And here. So like this, we can just give here the answers. Next, I have created only 2 questions. So timer is also given. So after till 11 minutes, we can choose the answers. So timer is also given. After that, it will be submitted. So it's done from this one. So once it is done, the teacher can end the Kahoot. So they will be able to see a leader button here. It will be shown here. So I am the one who got. So this is very good for the smaller grade, like grade 1, grade 2 and all. It's very helpful. It is very interactive. So they can be used grade 1, grade 2 till grade 3. We can use Kahoot from here. If we are using quizzes, we can use the Masterpeak, which is almost similar like quizzes. So I hope all these assessment tools are clear for everyone.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, if we are using all this assessment tool right after a lesson for a quick check, and if if students don't have a smartphone, tablets, or laptops with them, can we still display the live report? How can we assess? How can we
We
invite
can
them?
ask,
Is
we
there any
can
features like
assign,
that?
ma'am, we can assign them to the GCR. We can assign like a homework. There is an option like assign. We can assign it like a homework to the GCR.
So
So they
right
can,
after a lesson for a quick check, I cannot use if they don't have a device, right?
yes.
Oh, okay, ma'am. Thank you.
I hope no other doubts.
Is there any doubts, teachers? Today we discussed about quizzes, Kahoot, Formative, then Gemini, Google Forms. So first of all, you have to try these all things. Okay, then only the doubt will come. Okay, while doing, maybe many problems will face. That time you can ask directly to any of your IT teachers who are there in each and every session. You can contact us. Okay, teachers, is there any other doubt regarding this? And thank you, Archana teacher, for your presentation.
Hello,
Yes, sir.
Shima teacher.
Yeah, Rafiq, sir.
Yeah, good afternoon. Good
Yeah.
evening. Good evening. Everyone, just actually, I came here
Mm.
by seeing the link, just seeing the model bones. I
Uh-huh.
found that it's some kind of meeting. Anyway, I joined. After joining, I understood that this is a online tool is giving. So I'm very happy to see that. That's why I was here till this time. Okay, because just to refresh, because some tools I'm not using, some are using. Anyway, I would like to extend my sincere gratitude. So, on behalf of our senior leadership team and all the participants, I extend my heartfelt gratitude to our resource teachers, Ms. Seema and Ms. Archana, for conducting today's highly informative and engaging sessions on online assessment tools. Thank you for introducing us to innovative platforms such as Quizzes, Kahoot, Gemini, Socrative, then what is it? Format, formatting. And all other digital tools that can make classroom assessment more interactive, effective, and student-friendly. See, your demonstrations, your practical demonstrations, clear explanation,
Yes.
and the willingness to share your expertise have given our new teachers the confidence to integrate these technologies to their teaching practices. And today's rapidly evolving this educational landscape now, the digital assessment is no longer an option, but it is a necessary now. Your guidance has equipped our teachers with variable skills that will undoubtedly enhance their engagement and learning outcomes. Thank you once again. And I hope the new teachers may be benefited. Surely some are using, but still, even me now, there are two tools I'm not use at all, the Socrative and informative. So like that, we got different tools. So once again, I'm thanking all the participants for being here, and the resource persons, Ms. Seema and Ms. Archana. Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Yes, Sharira, how are you, Sharira? Teacher.
Yes, sir, sir. Very good, very informative. At the same time, their explanation is very well.
Yes.
I think only one thing I would like to say to other teachers: please try to all these tools in your classroom, and the classroom make your more engagement and your classroom more interesting. Thank you, teachers. Thank you, teachers.